This video tutorial discusses how to access Creo-related closed bugs in Punditas AI Advisor. Punditas is an AI-powered platform revolutionizing the way users train, adopt, and excel with enterprise software like PTC Creo Parametric. By leveraging artificial intelligence and machine learning, Punditas adapts to user preferences, learns individual needs, and delivers what truly matters, transforming the software experience like never before. Streamline your workflow with Punditas AI for Creo closed bugs. Access accurate and trusted information on resolved issues while saving valuable time through its intelligent search capabilities. Covering everything from part modeling to manufacturing, it provides in-depth insights across all major Creo modules. Designed to simplify troubleshooting, Punditas AI ensures you spend less time searching and more time focusing on your work. Experience a smarter way to stay ahead with Punditas AI. Punditas AI Advisor provides real-time guidance as you work in the Creo environment. Information on how to use a feature in Creo or best practices for working with Creo are presented within context, removing the need to guess or search for such information. Punditas AI-driven content helps you leverage Creo to create your designs faster and with confidence. Punditas AI can be accessed from within PTC Creo user interface. Punditas AI allows users to explore different perspectives. For Creo closed bugs, select Support Perspective as shown here. Search for any Creo-related topic within the search box provided, for example, Merge Feature. Punditas AI-based Insights Engine presents search results in the form of a knowledge graph that includes open bugs, closed bugs, workarounds and reference docs for PTC Creo as shown in the picture. The left pane allows filtering of perspectives such as product, support, customer, references and partner. 174 search results for Merge Feature is displayed, of which 33 search results pertaining to closed bugs. The support perspective in Punditas AI equips users with powerful resources to resolve technical issues with Creo. Punditas knowledge graph structure helps users quickly find specific Creo-related information by organizing data. The knowledge graph for support perspective offers 4 key data streams: closed bugs, open bugs, workarounds, and reference documents. This comprehensive approach ensures users have the tools they need to troubleshoot effectively and keep their workflows running smoothly. Now let's explore the 33 closed bugs available for Merge Feature. This page provides a detailed view of the searched topic. The top pane displays the number of search results, such as 33 closed bugs in this case. All these closed bugs are curated by Punditas AI. The Closed Bugs Cloud offers a visual representation of popular closed bugs, making it easier for you to find relevant and up-to-date PTC Creo bugs. The left pane allows you to filter closed bugs. Additional information about this pane will be covered later in this video. While the data table displays all the search results for the search string Merge Feature. To review a specific closed bug in the data table, expand the row by clicking on the plus button as shown. Each closed bug within Punditas AI shows the title, description, module name as well as the source of that data. Although each bug is automatically tagged for easy retrieval, users can additionally add tags using Tag This option. Punditas AI offers a powerful feature that eliminates the need to visit the PTC Support Portal or PTC Update Advisor to access detailed information about closed bugs or SPR. Each bug or SPR includes a plus button next to the SPR number, providing instant access to in-depth details about the SPR or closed bug. This functionality is exclusive to the paid version of Punditas AI Advisor and is not available to demo users. To unlock full access, sign up for a trial or contact Punditas for pricing details. One of the important aspects of Punditas AI Advisor is the hyperlink back to closed bug or SPR on the PTC Support Portal. Click Closed Bug on PTC eSupport Portal. Each closed bug includes related notes, and any available workarounds can be viewed by clicking on the associated link. Each bug includes a Resolved in field, indicating the specific release in which the bug was resolved and marked as closed. As mentioned previously, the left pane allows users to filter closed bugs based on Creo releases. Users can filter bugs by reported and resolved releases as shown in the picture. To access videos, help and other perspectives or nodes in the knowledge graph, click on the back button from Detailed View for the closed bugs. With coverage of all major PTC Creo modules and an intelligent search engine, Punditas AI ensures you find solutions effortlessly. Save time, solve problems faster, and work smarter with trusted insights tailored to your needs. Simplify your troubleshooting with Punditas AI. For more information, connect with us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter, or email us at contact@punditas.com.